Hello guys, so let us discuss on it. What is blog. Blogs are like journals on internet usually published by individual users and updated periodically. Example, blogger website. So we will see what is this. Just go to the Google and type blogger. So this is the website here. Blogger is nothing but we can create our own journals and our own content in this by using our name. We can sign in. After signing in, we can create our own blogs and we can update it periodically. So next we will discuss about microblog. It is similar to a blog but allows multiple users to post their personal information onto single page. Microblog is nothing but it is like a Twitter. In Twitter we can post anything related to any news or information. We can use it as a microblog. This is called a microblog. Next, we will discuss on wiki. Wiki allows any anonymous users to edit its content. We have, for example, we will see. Just go to Google and type Wikipedia. Yeah, this is the Wikipedia page. Whatever the content you want to search, like I just want to search for HTML. So we will go to HTML. This is the HTML page. If we want to edit some content, we can do it in this page. It allows everyone to edit its content. So next, Wikipedia. Next we will discuss on podcasting. A podcasting allows to upload media content, audio or video onto server and broadcast onto various devices like mobile, smart TV. For example, we have YouTube, iTunes, Windows Media Player. So we have like whenever you open YouTube, so many videos, movies, interviews related, everything will be there in YouTube related to video or whenever you are trying to open iTunes, music will be there. All those comes under podcasting. So let's discuss on Web API. What is Web API? It is an application that uses distributed computing architecture where the information can be shared between two different applications running on same machine or different machines. For example, I'm just opening, so I want to buy a product like we will buy iPhone 11. So buy now. Whenever we are buying something, we are buying any product, whenever we are buying any product in Amazon, so whenever we go for payment method, it is showing options like add debit card, Paytm, ATM card, net banking or EMI. Whenever we are using like add debit card and whenever we write any bank related card numbers from Amazon, the request will go to, for example, we have an ICICI bank. From Amazon, request will go to ICICI bank. ICICI bank web page will be visible to you. Then it will ask your details, card details. After everything done, if everything is good, your product will be ordered successfully. Yeah, this is web API. So next we will discuss on widgets. What is widgets? A widget is gadget for website used to handle various types of calculations and interactions from client. They are mostly designed by using client-side script. For example, we have like EMI calculator, currency converter, etc. We will see one example. Yeah, just we will go some other website like SBI Bank, SBI Online. So whenever we are going to loans portion, here we have calculators. These are called widgets. They provide some calculators in online. So it will show you everything loan related calculators. So this is called a widget for this SBI website. Yeah. Next we will discuss on what is difference between URL and URI. URL is nothing but the uniform resource locator. It is a virtual path generated by web server in order to access the resources from a website. URI is Uniform Resource Identifier. It specifies any named locations within the defined resources. Yeah, this is the example of URL. All this portion, everything from starting to ending is called a URL. And the last portion, whatever you're seeing after hash, JavaScript, only that part is called a URI. URI, it is a uniform resource identifier within the defined resource. Next, we will discuss about protocol. The computers in a network communicate with each other for sharing of information of resources by following a set of rules are known as protocols. Computers in various networks have to follow different types of protocols according to the nature and restrictions of network. The commonly known protocols are HTTP, HTTPS. HTTP is a hypertext transfer protocol and HTTPS is hypertext transfer protocol with security. Mainly we will be using this both. So all MSMQ, name types, SMTP, everything are outdated. For accessing resource from file system without using any HTTP protocol. This is the URL accessing from file system. So if you want to access it from HTTP request, accessing resource from web server, this is the URL. You have to type it on browser. Next we will discuss about domain. A domain is used to identify the resource location and also to organize the resources under a repository so that it can be given access to client. You have to register a domain and buy space for the domain in order to keep the resources. Domain is nothing but the website name. We have to buy it from any domain resources. You have to register those names. We will see that with example. So one of the domain provider are GoDaddy. GoDaddy is a domain GoDaddy is a domain provider. A domain can have various domain suffix that specifies the nature of your site or applications like. So we will be seeing .com, .in, .edu. So this .com indicates it's a commercial website and it is benefited by user. If you are seeing .org, it indicates it's an organization website that provides information for free to user. It's a non-beneficial. If you are seeing .edu, it indicates it's an educational page. And if you are seeing .gov, it indicates it's a government website. If you are seeing .nsc, it indicates it's a national informatic center. If you are seeing nsc.in, this in is known as a subdomain. In indicates Indian. Yeah. We will see an example of a domain provider. We will go to GoDaddy. So this is the official website. Here we can buy a domain name by paying some amount. This is the website where you can buy your domain name for your website. So you can type any name. So hemant.com is taken. Already this name is taken by someone. So they are saying we still might be able to get it for you. Yeah, hemant-h.com is available, and it will be having, we have to buy it for $4.99. Yeah. So next we will discuss about web debugger. It is a software tool used by developers to track the performance and errors on web page. Every browser have a web debugger that can be invoked by using the function key F12. The other popular web debuggers are Fiddler, Postman. Postman is used for web API developers like Forbug, etc. So we will see a live example how to use web debugger. So this is our website. Just click on F12, function F12. So this is the web debugger, which whatever you are seeing, the errors you can see here, everything will be accessed through here.